Hello everyone, we will show you the cutting application of ultrasonic food cutting system. Compared with traditional cutting methods, the ultrasonic food cutting system has higher cutting accuracy and smaller errors, which can better meet production needs. The cutting principle of the ultrasonic cutting system is to use ultrasonic vibration. The energy required for the half-wave knife vibration is transferred to the food, thereby achieving precise cutting of the food. The cutting surface is smooth, no color transfer, no slag. Ultrasonic food cutting system can be used for cutting various food materials, such as bread, cakes, desserts, cheese, candies, etc. Learn more, please follow me.